firewood. Na. Light axe, but it works. What you have to need more effort.
You need a bigger axe actually.
You need a heavier axe. This is too light.
Let me get some.
Takes more work than it should, and it's very cold. Broken.
Ayos.
Dami na.
Survivor man. Parang snow ba to?
Ha?
Snow!
Snow na.
Yes!
Starting. Snow starting.
Oh, wow!
Parang ice yata eh.
Ice?
Parang
It's coming!
it's like hail. Kailangan i-start na natin yung fire.
This is gonna be fun!
Fun or
Or
not,
not.
it's fun. Looks like it's done. Fun or done. I think it's like a hail. It's like hail. Kasi pellets eh. It looks like
What is it?
it's like hail
Hail?
because it's pellets. It's not snow. Okay. We need a igniter. winter camping with no snow. We're gonna cook chicken. Jason, our master cook,
No.
master chef.
Purpose. Gourmet chicken.
May chicken.
Okay, so let's make this chicken more tasty. I have, what's calamansi in English?
Philippine citrus.
Philippine citrus. That.
That looks yummy.
And
Some sauce.
soy sauce by Panda Express. Kikoman, sponsored.
Sponsored.
Sponsored by Panda Express.
Disclaimer, it's not really sponsored. But we hope we get sponsored.
I hope.
We hope we got sponsored so we can have some money.
I hope.
Or
in the
free.
future.
We get free meal.
Mandarin teriyaki sauce by Panda Express also.
Panda Express, you need to sponsor us. Give us some free lunch.
Okay.
Alright, nice.
Okay. We're getting somewhere.
Cool. Chicken almost done. And fishing. It's very good because of the lake. And barbecue chicken and fishing. starting to snow, but it's ice. So cold. Hiding. Hiding while eating. As you can see, it's starting to snow, and it seems like it's rain that froze, so it's like an ice pellet that's coming down.
Oh.
Finally snow in Texas, but
This is Texas.
it's ice. Flag is down and I'm shivering.
Kaya nagpatay na kami. Nagpapakit ako sa bubong yung canopy, yung mga snow.
That concludes our winter camping. Snow finally came and we're trying to fix up, packing up, and my hands are all, it's already painful from the cold. So we're gonna go by, and I want to thank you and also thank Jason from Pinoy Prepper, PNOy Prepper, and Horizontal Adventures for coming and camping with me. We camped here last night, and today we think we're gonna go because finally we found the snow. We were looking for snow, and now it's here. Snow in Texas. Although it's not as heavy, it's still light, but it's snow, you can see it. See you on our next adventure. Bye bye. 33 degrees. So snowing in Texas. It's time for us to go. Waiting for the windshield to defrost, and it's already snowing. Texas snow. And we're finished our camping. It's already 3 p.m. So we get home or go to the next campground. But it's time to leave. See you on the next adventures. Bye bye.